Did you know that exercising the hands and fingers can help to stimulate your brain's function and the nervous system, and also prevent dementia, Alzheimer's disease? If you didn't know, stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Health Tips with Serpina. As the skin ages, wrinkles and age spots will appear. When the hair is old, it will gradually turn white. We can see that. But as the brain ages, it shrinks. We can't see that directly. However, if you observe it from different perspectives, as you age, it just means that, especially after the age of 40, the body's metabolism slows down and the functionality of the brain cell gradually declines. Therefore, this is very important to exercise your brain cells to keep them in the best condition possible. And the activities of the hands and the fingers are key points connected to the brain. There are many acupuncture points in the hands, and the many nerves there lead directly to the brain. So scientifically proved finger movements to help us to stimulate the cerebral cortex, enhance the brain's nerves, and therefore its functions, so increasing memory and improving reactions and slow down the degenerations of the brain and preserving its functional development. There are lots of hand-finger exercises to stimulate the brain. For example, sewing, gardening, painting, play the piano, and so on. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 hands and finger exercises. Before doing hand exercise, let's move your fingers joint first, as I'm doing now. Just some preparing. Okay, now we start the exercise. Method 1. Tap the fingers. You open your hands opposite each other, and then you tap your fingers. Thumb, tap thumb. Index fingers, tap index finger. Middle fingers, tap middle finger. Ring fingers, tap ring finger. Little fingers, tap little fingers. You do this 20 times. I'm going to do the whole things for you now, okay? You can speed up when you're proficient. Method 2. Point your index fingers. Clench each fist with your hands and then open your index finger and thumb finger to look like 2 guns, and then let these 2 fingers touch each other. Watch me now, like this. Now you move your hands in the opposite directions to the left and the right, with fingertips set apart by some distance, like this. And then you move index fingertips, touch again, and you repeat this several times. Now, most importantly, you close your eyes and then do the same thing again. You do 20 times. I'm going to do the whole thing for you now. You practice this first. And then now you close your eyes. You're doing the same thing again. This exercise is to use the consciousness of your brains to control the fingers and exercise the brain's nerves. Good luck. Method 3. Thumbs up and a fist. There are 2 actions. Action 1. Open both your hands like this. Action 2. Clench your hands, but one hand in thumbs up position, the other hand is a fist. So every time you do action 2, you alternate between hands, a thumb up and fist position. I'm going to do the whole things for you now. You do this 50 times. Okay. Action 1, action 2, action 1, action 2, action 1, action 2, action 1, action 2, action 1, action 2. You can speed up when you're proficient. Method 4. Okay and yes. Open your both hands and fingers, and then you do okay with one hand, yes with the other hand, like this. The exercise is your both hands change gestures simultaneously. Do this 60 times. I'm going to do these whole things for you now. You can speed up when you're proficient. Method 5. Gun and 4. Open your both hands and fingers, and then your one hand does 4 action, the other hand does a gun. Then both hands exchange gestures simultaneously. Do this 60 times. I'm going to do this whole thing for you now. Look, 4 and again. You can speed up when you are proficient. There are so many health hand and finger exercises, but today I'm only sharing 5 of the easiest and the best with you. I hope they are helpful for you. That's it for this time. Please pass these tips on to your family and friends, and let's see more people benefit. Also, you can let me know what subject you wish to learn about, and then I will try my best to make a video for it. By the way, if you subscribe my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health tips information. Many thanks, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.